Welcome to our list of the top 20 best dropshipping products to sell in 2024. If you're a dropshipper looking for the next hot-selling items, stay tuned for this comprehensive guide. In 2024, success in dropshipping means finding trending products across different niches. From innovative tech gadgets to sustainable beauty items, these products are taking the market by storm. Smart home devices are more in demand than ever, especially as consumers continue to embrace automation in their homes. Everyone's on the go and no one wants a dead phone. High-quality, fast-charging power banks are a must-have. With remote work still thriving, ergonomic chairs have become a key purchase for people wanting to improve their work-from-home setup. Eco-conscious consumers are seeking alternatives to plastic, making reusable water bottles one of the most popular items in 2024. Wireless earbuds continue to be a hot commodity as people look for convenience and sound quality on the go. Sustainable beauty products. Sustainability is a key driver in beauty, and products like organic skincare and eco-friendly packaging are taking center stage. LED vanity mirrors. Perfect for beauty enthusiasts, LED vanity mirrors are popular for their functionality and aesthetics. Pet grooming kits. Pet lovers are constantly searching for products that allow them to groom their pets at home, making this a growing trend. Fitness trends remain strong, and resistance bands are perfect for at-home or on-the-go workouts. Air quality is on everyone's mind, and consumers are investing in air purifiers for healthier living environments. Smart baby monitors give parents peace of mind, offering features like video feeds and real-time alerts. Who doesn't love a good massage? Electric massages continue to be a hit for relieving tension and stress. As people spend more time on the road, car phone holders are an essential accessory for safe and easy navigation. Consumers are shifting towards eco-friendly cleaning solutions, creating an opportunity for sustainable product lines. Wireless charging stations that power multiple devices at once are gaining popularity for their convenience and design. With increased screen time, blue light blocking glasses are a practical and stylish solution for protecting your eyes. As content creation continues to grow, selfie ring lights are a must-have for anyone looking to up their social media game. 18. Vegan leather accessories. Fashion with a conscience is in, and vegan leather bags and wallets offer a stylish yet sustainable alternative. 19. Portable projectors. Portable projectors are popular for movie nights and presentations, offering flexibility and fun wherever you go. 20. Minimalist jewelry. Minimalist jewelry never goes out of style, and in 2024, it continues to captivate those who love subtle, elegant designs. These are the top 20 dropshipping products for 2024. Ready to launch your store or add new products? These items are proven winners. Happy selling!